想说，我最近很久没有录那个 vlog 的视频，是因为我最近非常的忙。然后我1月份要搬家，评论啊什么、私信啊什么，有一些可能来不及回，我看到的我都能回的尽量都会回。祝大家圣诞节快乐！虽然这个视频发出来以后，可能已经不是圣诞节了。So I got Taiwan milk tea from Haru Lady and Kokuto milk tea, and she got Kokuto milk tea と cafe milk tea. チーズドッグ。Good morning, guys. Today's brunch is going to be some milk with aojiru. Yeah, it tastes just like matcha. And some curry that I made last night. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna watch some game live.哦喂，哎，我不对，弄反了，哎，哇，家具都是自己装。装我来买一个。哎呦喂。哎呦。That's not what I bought, that's just trash. Yasai for shabu shabu. I'm gonna eat shabu shabu tomorrow. And dango for my breakfast tomorrow. And I got ice cream, avocado, some hangers. Hey guys! It's 11:30 p.m. right now and I just finished my dinner. I had some Chinese food. I feel like Chinese food in Japan tastes just like Japanese food. It was weird. So, yeah. I just felt freaking tired today. So yeah, gonna go to sleep. See you guys tomorrow. Bye! Some salt. It's too much. This is brunch for today. And some milk. Ooh.
Hopefully they come on our world
Alright, it's 8:50 p.m. right now. I got my dinner, some milk and pasta with some cheese. Yeah. Guys, today is Wednesday and it's 7:30 p.m. I guess. So as you can see, I got so many trash downboard to deal with, and yeah, it's gonna be a really busy night. Ha ha ha.